Let's make savory, classic, double-decker caprese burgers. Light the grill. Cut the tomatoes. And mozzarella into 16 slices each. Combine the ground pork, beef, egg, and breadcrumbs in a bowl. Season with pepper and salt in moderation. Mix with your hands. Divide the mixture into 8 balls. Form patties by pressing the mixture between 2 layers of plastic wrap. Set aside. Grill the tomato slices for 2 minutes. Turning once. Halve the buns. And grill cut side down for 2 minutes. Or until nicely browned. Remove and discard the plastic wrap from the burgers and grill for 6 minutes. Or until thoroughly cooked, turning once. Sprinkle the grill side of the buns with the olive oil. Place arugula onto the bottom half of the buns. Top with a burger, 2 slices of tomato, 2 slices of mozzarella, and a few basil leaves and arugula. Repeat the process to create a second layer. Cover with the top half of the buns. If necessary, use a wooden skewer to secure the tops. A great dish made the savory way. Enjoy your double-decker caprese burgers.